Morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about orbitals. As in the previous videos we study about orbit. As you know that according to Rutherford model, electron revolve around the nucleus in the circular path. That path is known as orbit. As we discussed in the Bohr models, but now we discuss about the orbitals. Concept of orbitals, that is stability of atoms, dual character of atom, and uncertainty principle. In this, now the orbital is defined as the region, place surrounding the nucleus where maximum possibility to finding the electrons. That space is known as orbitals. And after that we discuss about the difference between orbit and orbitals. After that we discuss about the quantum. Now concept of atomic orbital here. Stability of atom, dual character of atom. It means that it has behave like particle as well as wave, and uncertainty principles. Now orbital is defined as the region in space around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is maximum. This is the nucleus, and surrounding the space where maximum possibility to find the electrons, that is defined the orbitals. Now it may be noted that there are some chances of finding the electron even outside the figure. This figure के बाहर. Now difference between orbit and orbitals, as we study about Rutherford and Bohr models, well-defined circular path in which electron is moving. As you know that electron moves around the nucleus in the circular path, whereas in orbitals, region is space and स्थान around the nucleus के चारों ओर where probability of finding the electron is maximum, जहाँ इलेक्ट्रॉनों के मिलने की अधिकतम संभावनाएं रहती है. Next, represent planar motion of electron. Suppose that this is the nucleus, electron move in a different circular orbit, but in the orbitals electron move such type, this type, this type, and this type in the 3D. 3D now gives definite path, orbitals definite path, but electron may be anywhere in the region, and here all orbits are circular. But in this case, Orbitals have different shape, just like spherical, dumbbell, and so on. Now, maximum electron in any orbit is 2m square, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is no here, and in this case, ion orbitals can accommodate only 2 electrons. For example, S has 2 electrons, but their spin is different, so that each electron have differ with the help of quantum number. After that, we study about the quantum number. Now quantum number to describe each electron in an atom in different orbital use quantum number. It means that for each electrons to detect with the help of quantum numbers, it gives the complete address of ion electrons. Now, type of quantum numbers. There are 4 types of quantum numbers. First, principal quantum number. Second, azimuthal or angular quantum number. Third, magnetic quantum number. And fourth, spin quantum number. Now, we discuss about this one by one. First of all, we take the principal quantum numbers. It represented by m. Here it determines the main energy cell or level in which electron is present. It can have whole number value from n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, where n is equal to 1, this is the K cell, n is equal to 2, this is the L cell, n is equal to 3, M cell, 4, M cell, and so on. Then, if n is equal to 1, first cell that is close to the nucleus and has lowest energy levels. Now, then if you put n is equal to 2, that is the second cell, and it has energy more than n is equal to 1 cell. Now, quantum number. Now, second azimuthal or angular quantum number, it is represented by L, and it determines the angular momentum of electron. The value of L gives the subcell or sub-level in a given principal energy cell to which an electron belongs. It can have positive integer value from 0 to n minus 1. As we studied, अभी हम लोगों ने प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर के अंतर्गत देखा है कि द इंटीग्रल वैल्यू 1, 2, 3, 4 that is a principal quantum number, and azimuthal quantum number, its value also start from 0, here 0, 1, 2, 3, and the various value of L can be designated as follow. If value of L is equal to 0, that is S subcell. If L is equal to 1, P. If L is equal to 2, D. L is equal to 3, that is a F subcell. Now here, if n is equal to 1, its value is L is equal to 0, that is a S subcell. N is equal to 2, it means that its value up to N is equal to 2, so that its value is equal to 0 and 1. 0 and 1, that is 0 represent S cell and 1 represent P cell. Now here principal quantum number L is equal to 1. In this case angular momentum या azimuthal quantum number is equal to 0. That is 1 S, only one subcell, and principal quantum number 2. It means that दूसरे नंबर में जो है सबसेल की संख्या 2 है, 0 और 1. That 0 is represented by 2s and this represented by 2p. Here principal quantum number 3 and value of 3 0 1 2 and it's 3. 0 represent 3s, 1 represent 3p and 2 represent 3d, and also this is principal quantum number equal to 4, so that its value is 0 1 2 3. This is 4 value and 4, this represent 4s and this represent 4p, this represent 4d and this represent 4f. This arranged in the increasing of energy order. Now we study next quantum number, magnetic quantum number. Now magnetic quantum number is represented by M. Here it describes the behavior of electron in magnetic field. Now it gives the number of orbitals in a given subcell for a given value of L. M can have value from -L through 0 to +1. For example, here L is equal to 1, so that its value it is L is equal to 1. Value of M is equal to -1 0 and +1, and -L to +1 including 0, and L is equal to 2, so that value of magnetic quantum number -L and -2 to +2, that is -1 0 +1 and +2. Now the number of orbitals in a given subcell are given below. For the subcell S, that is a value of L is equal to 0. Number of orbital is 1. Here orbital 3, here orbital 5, here orbital 7. Now here this is a principal quantum number and this is a principal quantum number, and second this is the azimuthal quantum number, this is the magnetic quantum number. Here principal quantum number, energy level, here the subcell है, this is the cell, this is the subcell, sub energy level, this is the number of orbitals gives it. Now N is equal to 1, this value start from 1 to 3 up to N. This value start from 0 to up to N minus 1, so that this value is 1, so that it is 0, and this is -L to +L including 0, so that it is 0, this value is 0, subcell 1s1 and number of cell equal to 1 and number of particle equal to 1. Now if the N is equal to 2, it means that this value is 0 to n minus 1, 0 and 1, so that this is a 0, so that this is 0 to s, and l is equal to 1, value of m is equal to minus l to plus l, including 0, so that if we take the value of l, azimuthal quantum number is 1, so that value of magnetic quantum number minus 1, 0 and plus 1, and this is the 2p, second 2p subcell, and total subcell number of subcell is equal to 3, and this is 1, total equal to 4. Now we take the n is equal to 3, principal quantum number 3, then the azimuthal quantum number start from 0 to up to n minus 1, so that 0, 1 and 2, and this value is 0, so that this is magnetic quantum number 0, 3s, and 1, and here if value of n is equal to 1, as you know that value of m is equal to minus l, including 0 to 1, minus 1, 0 and plus 1, so that this is 3p, and here azimuthal quantum number is 2, this value minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, so that in this case this 3d subcell 3d है, and number of subcell equal to 5, so that number of orbital is equal to 9, 5, 3, 8, 1, 9 exists. If we take n is equal to 4, so that the value of l equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3, and corresponding the value of magnetic quantum number this type, but this is in we take the n is equal to 4, in that case 0, and this represents here 4s, 4p, 4d, and 4f. With 4f we take n is equal to 3, that magnetic quantum number will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3, and such type of this. Now we study about the spin quantum number. Here now fourth quantum number is spin quantum number, and electron in an atom not only revolving around the nucleus, but it also is spinning. Here nucleus and electron revolve around this with the help of also spring at that positions. It is just like the planet revolve around the sun, and as revolve at their axis also. Same things in this case. This quantum number describe the spin of electron here. This is clockwise plus half, and anti-clockwise, that is minus half. Here conclusion that it describes the position of electron by specifying its means cell n. With the help of n, we know about the energy levels, subcell with the help of L, orientation of orbitals with the help of M, and its spin, that is a clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now we have a problem describe orbitals here. Now n is equal to 1. First problem, n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 0. As we know that n is equal to 1, it means that n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 0. This is 1 s. This represents the 1s orbitals because it principal quantum number 1 and this is 0. Now second problem, n is equal to 3 and l is equal to 2 here. n is equal to 3, so that this is 3 and l is equal to 3 means what? Value of L will be n is equal to 3, value of L will be 0, 1, 2 and L is equal to 2. This is a S, P and this is a D, so that this represents 3D. This represents 3D and third है n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4 and n is equal to 3. n is equal to 4, it means that n is equal to 4, it means that value of L will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. This represents the S, this is P, this is D and this represents F. n is equal to 4 हो गया and L is equal to 3 यानी F. This represented by 4F. This is our answer here. Now, in the simple case, we see that we take the value of n is equal to 1, then the value of n is equal to 0, n is equal to 2, then the value of n is equal to 0 and 1, n is 3, this value is equal to what? 0, 1 and 2, n is equal to 4, this value equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3, such type of this, and value of m equal to minus L2, m equal to minus L, take 0 to plus L, so that it 0, so that in this case 0, in this case 0 and this case 0 and this minus 1, 0 and plus 1, such type of we calculate the value of principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and spin quantum number. I will see that identification of each electron in the atom we identify separately with the help of quantum numbers, and after that we study about this electronic configuration of atoms in the next videos. Now like and subscribe my videos. आप वीडियो को शेयर करें ताकि अधिक से अधिक बच्चे लाभ उठा सकें। थैंक यू।